Bedrock is now available for the LDV T60. Let's go check out the fit. As with all of our liners, this is custom made to fit your LDV T60. You've got these retention fittings that are simply plug and play. The contour and the shape follows along the transmission tunnel, goes up under the pedals and goes right to the door sill. So it's a bucket design, it catches all the dirt, so anything that leaves your feet, leaves the car. Now this is the rear piece liner. It is a one-piece solution. There are no gaps, no joins, there's no mess getting into those common trouble spots. Those spots being your transmission tunnel, underneath the front seats, and then also up to the door sill as well. This liner catches everything that leaves your feet, and it's going to leave your car, making your clean up that much easier. Similar to your front driver, your passenger side offers you all the same great qualities. It's guaranteed to fit, and it's also a bucket design. So it's got this protection that goes up to the door sill, underneath your dash, and along the transmission tunnel. So anything that leaves your feet will leave the car. What's cool about this too is you've got your retention fitting right there in the middle. So when you push that down, it will keep your liner in place and prevent any sort of slipping of the liner backwards and forwards. If you're looking for more information and want to grab yourself a set, go to fitmycar.com.au or in store at Autobarn or opposite lock.